Today at Shelvington, I'm going to talk about how this little device will improve how your wagons run around your layout. Stay tuned. So I've managed to get myself one of these. It's called a truck turner. Now I've since found out DCC Concepts, I think it is, do something pretty much identical. I'll include a link to all of them, the ones I've found. But essentially what this does, it goes in the axle. You take the wheel out, this replaces the wheel, and you turn it and it mills a fresh, see if we can get that to the camera, it mills a fresh edge on the where the axle sits in the plastic, and it makes a tremendous difference, as you can see. So if I just show you again, so this is the one that I've done. It makes a tremendous difference just in a tiny amount of space that we've got here. The rolling difference is incredible. So what we'll do, I'll show you exactly what we do with this one, and hopefully we'll get it as good as this one. So we quite simply take out the wheel, just pop the wheel out, get our turner, pop it in one side, pop it in the other side where the axle sits, just as you would a normal wheel set, and then we just rotate it a few times. Then we pop it out, turn it around. So we do the other side, whoops. Just turn the wagon around, it's just easier there. Pop that into the axle. Don't know what you call it, it's not the bearing, it's the space, I suppose, where the axle lives. And that's it, and we just give it a quick turn. Just to clean it up. Pop that out. Take this wheel set out as well. And put this in this side. I don't know if you can tell as well, you probably won't pick it up on the camera here, but to start with, it doesn't turn particularly well. It's not until you've manually turned it a few times that it just cuts into the slot where the axle goes, and after a few revolutions, there we go, and we can pop it out, keep that safe. Just blow away any bits, reinstall our wheels, and hopefully what you'll see is an improvement. So we just put the thing back on the top. So now, before, this one was running a lot faster. Put them both back here, push them away. Look at that, both the same now. Oops, that was my fault. I pushed the lighter one at a different speed there. There we go. How amazing is that? It runs smooth, it runs straight. That is incredible. So that's a couple of wagons done. I've just got the other few to do now. And I don't know if some of you may have noticed as well from the previous video, I just had 5 or 6 of these conflat wagons. Well, I've been able to get another 5, so they're on the end of this rake now. So I'll finish doing all the wheels on the rest of this train, and we'll get that going around. I do need to talk a little bit about cost, because this little guy cost, including delivery to New Zealand from Australia, around about 50 New Zealand dollars. That's about 25 British pounds. Seems quite a large investment, but when you consider the benefits that it gives you for each wagon, this for me, with these old wagons here, yep, they ran okay, but now they run perfect. They run straight, they run true. The rolling resistance now is very, very minimal. So yeah, a little bit steep in the purchase price. However, for what it gives you back for the return, I think it's a small investment. So I would certainly recommend this tool. I will, like I say, I'll put a link to this actual one that I bought to the shop in Australia, and I'm sure, like I say, DCC Concepts, I'm sure they sell a very, very similar product, obviously in the UK. So we'll leave it there for today. I want to thank every single one of my subscribers personally. If I could thank you all, I'd come and shake your hand. I'd say thank you, and I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, click on the little thumbs up icon. If you really like the video and my other videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost you guys anything, but it does help my channel to grow, and it helps spread the word around the world for like-minded modelers. So thank you very much. Stay safe, look after yourselves, take care, bye bye.